Hi there, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Girl Next to the Side. I hope you all are doing well. So, if you are a new subscriber to my channel, then please do stay connected. I post a lot of content on hair care, skincare, wellness, and a lot of things. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hello again. Yeah, so I was just, ordering my regular essentials from Amazon, Nykaa, and I just thought that I should share this with you because you might also be in search of this. So this is my staple combo, face wash scrub combo that I repurchase. I keep repurchasing. I have been using this from a very long time now, and while I was placing the order, I just thought that this might help you out. So let's get started. So the product that I'm going to talk about today is this combo right here. If you see, this is my staple combo for my face wash and my scrub, and this is from Lotus Herbals, and this is the White Glow range. Lotus White Glow facial foam, nothing but face wash, and this is Lotus Herbal White Glow scrub. So this face wash and this scrub is something that I keep repurchasing, and there's a lot of reason. The first and the foremost is obviously the performance. It works so well. It removes the grease, the grime, the oil, does not strip your face out of your natural oils. And the scrub is something, the best I have used till now, because I really hate the Everyuth walnut scrub particles, but this one is not that. Okay, so this has oatmeal scrub particles, which makes it very good for me. So without any more introduction, I will skip right into the video. So first and the foremost is the packaging. The packaging of these face wash is plain plastic packaging, nothing too fancy. The cap is really good and secured, okay, and it makes this clicking of a sound and closes very securely, so nothing too extravagant and extra. And for the scrub has a matte kind of a plastic packaging, so nothing to be very extra about the packaging, but it's really good, it's secure, and it is travel friendly. The other thing, that next thing that I wanted to talk about is the price point. So both of these are 100 ml tubes. The face wash retails for rupees 260, and the scrub retails for rupees 310. So the scrub is not the cheapest in the market, but then considering the quality, I definitely want to repurchase this once again. Now, coming over to how these products work and why am I obsessed with them. So first I will talk about the product, which is the face wash. Now when it comes to the face wash, it claims that it is a 3-in-1 deep cleansing, skin whitening facial foam which deeply cleanses, whitens, and blocks melanin production. Now, I didn't buy this to become fairer, but rather I bought this to remove my tan, because it gave an instant glowing effect, and it removed my tan very effectively, and it brightened my face. That is the reason why I bought this, and hands down this is the only face wash that I have seen to work on all the problems. Plus, it is non-drying, does not strip your skin of its natural moisture, which is extremely good. So, like I said, enriched with minerals. It claims that it enriched with minerals, milk enzymes, aloe vera, blah blah blah, removes dirt, impurities, removes makeup, and gives a brighter and glowing skin. So I completely agree to everything. You just have to use it in the normal way, little bit of water. I use this in the morning and at night. When I take a bath, I use this face wash, and at night when I come back from office is when I use this once again. The best part is that it foams really well. So, and I get a lot of satisfaction when my face wash foams well, and it gives a very good cleaning effect. It removes all that entire day's dust, dirt, grime, extra oil. I have a very oily T-zone, so that gets extremely well cleaned by this, as well as I see a very good cleaning effect. Okay, so that is all good about this. Now there is one thing which I don't like about this face wash, which is it slightly tings the eye. Okay, little bit of tingling sensation I get on my eyes when it gets into my eyes, but then I don't put on my eyes. But when I wash it, I feel like it little bit disturbs the eyes, which might be something that removes the tan. Now going over to the scrub. This is the scrub, and why this scrub is so good compared to what we have in the market. The OG scrub that we have in the Indian market is the Ever Youth one. Now the Ever Youth one contains walnut scrub particles. Walnut scrub particles are big in size, and they really irritate your skin, especially if you have delicate skin and you have sensitive skin. So walnut scrub is really something that dries out your skin, and you have to run for your life for the moisturizer after you use that scrub. But this one does not do that, because this one contains oatmeal and yogurt. So the scrub particles are extremely finer, and they're really light, and this is a very thick consistency scrub which has oatmeal and as well as yogurt, and it exfoliates and brightens skin for a healthy glow. Now I use this one. It is recommended that you use this twice in a week, and it also removes dirt, impurities, and this works really well on blackheads, whiteheads, and it really exfoliates the skin very well. So this is something which I use twice a week, once a week, whenever I feel like. But this is something that does not irritate my skin, does not also dry my skin out of its natural oil and natural moisturizer, and this is something which I highly recommend, and also gives an instant boost of brightness and glow on your face, and also removes the tan. Okay, so there's a lot of good things that these two combo has done for me. Now let's use this in front of you. You can see it for yourself how well this works on my face. So now I will be using these two products in front of you and show you the real time effect. So first we'll secure the hair. So this is how the face wash looks like. It's not too runny, but not very thick. So I think the consistency is just about right. Like I mentioned, the only con of this face wash is that it slightly stings your eyes. So I would really want to avoid the area around the eyes. My forehead is one place which gets tanned very easily, so I'll use and massage it very well on my forehead area. Now I'll wash up the face wash and I'll come back to you. So as you can see, right after washing the face, there is already a little bit of glow, and my skin feels and looks very clean. Now obviously it is not complete without the scrub, so I'm going to show you guys the scrub now, and definitely how it looks like. So this is the bottle. The scrub is pretty thick, if you can see, this is the oatmeal scrub, and the particles are really fine and of finer nature compared to the walnut scrub. So yeah, I am going to apply this all over my face, and I'm going to show you how this looks like. So as we all know that scrub is not as gentle as a face wash, and that's why we have to avoid the eye area, eyelids. I think I would need a little bit more for my forehead. My forehead, I don't know what's wrong with it. It just gets tanned so much more than the rest of the face. So yeah, I have to put extra amount on that. And while you apply the scrub, you have to use gentle hands and not really scrub it like you're washing your dishes. It's not like that. This is your face. Okay, so just gently go in circular motion all over your face, and make sure that you're being gentle. You don't go too much near your eyes. You can understand I'm doing it very gently and not putting any pressure of my hand or force. Since I'm demonstrating, I'm not showing doing it on my neck as well, but you need to do it over here as well, because neck area also gets extremely tanned. And again, back to forehead, nose, and now I think I'm done. I'll just wash this off and I'll show you how it looks like. So I washed up the scrub off my face, and now you can already see the glow that I have on my face, and how it's extremely clean, and all the kind of the grime, the dust, the the unevenness, and the tanning, it has become a little bit less. Obviously it is not a magic that it will in one use it will remove all the tan, but if you can see the instant effect, how my face looks instantly bright, and that is exactly why I keep repurchasing these this combo. And yeah, so if you are also someone who is searching for a face wash and a scrub combo that brightens your face, removes tan, then this is it. So I hope this video has helped you, and I really wish that you share it with your friends and your family, and you subscribe to my channel, and that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day. Bye.